Hello, this is day 9 of the 14. Yeah, yesterday we were talking about our energy fields. I showed you how they look like. I explained you that I made a video series. It's called Master Your Energy. And with this video series, you can learn to manage your energy fields in an optimal way so that in a way, nothing can disturb you. From the inside out, you are going now, as a next step, breathe prana. What is prana? Prana is vital energy. It's also called qi. The Chinese call it qi. It has different names, but it doesn't matter. It's vital energy. And you can, and it is everywhere. In all elements, you have prana. And you are going to breathe prana from the air and from the earth and create a little inner and a bigger outer prana sphere. They are golden prana spheres and they are worth gold because they have already a much higher frequency, and then it is already a first step into your process of increasing your frequency. There will be other steps, but it's in a way very easy and very understandable. So don't worry. I lead you, I take you by the hand. You are very secure and really like a little child. I take you by the hand and you hold my hand till you think that you can walk alone. And then you don't need me and you don't need a video series, you don't need anything anymore. But until then, I guide you. So you always can ask questions. In the website, there is a form, a contact form. You send me, I regularly get messages from people who have a question or anything. So be free and contact me and start increasing your frequency, please. It is really important. Yes. And then, as I said, the external energies that might disturb you don't disturb you anymore. Like high frequency towers or the sun with its explosions. Yes, the sun is also in a process. We'll talk about it perhaps tomorrow, I don't know yet, but we'll see. Uh, in its right moment, I will tell you a lot of things, but it's all in short videos, so we have to limit. But don't think you need to protect yourself. By increasing your own frequency, you are protected automatically from the inside out. And you don't need any external apparatuses or devices. It's not necessary. So tomorrow we go on. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.